Hi, and welcome to Drug Discovery. In this screencast, I'm going to introduce you to this subject and give you some general information about how the course is structured and what you're going to learn. I'm your subject coordinator. I am a lecturer, a microbiologist, and a researcher at UTS. In this subject, you're going to learn about the process of drug discovery and development. We have a particular focus on antimicrobials, and this is obviously really important as we're in the midst of an antimicrobial resistance crisis and we desperately need new drugs to fight those superbugs. This subject consists of weekly 2-hour interactive seminars, and these will be delivered by a range of academic and industry experts. You'll also have 4 3-hour lab classes, and in these classes you'll learn some of the techniques used in the early phases of a drug discovery project. You'll also be engaging in independent study, including pre-reading and also working on your written and oral assessments. Please see the subject outline in UTS Online for details on the assessments for this course. Part of your assessment will include performing self-assessment and reflection on your performance, and of course you'll be given feedback on your progress throughout the semester. The topics covered in this course include the different stages involved in drug discovery and development, different methods of drug discovery, including screening, repurposing, drug synergy, and medicinal biochemistry. So this is the early phase of drug discovery. But the next phase involves testing and efficacy for the safety of your compound through animal and human clinical trials, and ensuring that you have intellectual property protection. And you'll hear from industry experts who work in these areas. You'll also learn about the importance of partnering with industry in this field. Drug development is an expensive process, and it's not something that can be done without a significant investment of funds. So it's important to understand what potential industry partners will need and what kinds of drug products would be attractive to them. You'll also learn some practical skills in the laboratory, including assays for screening compounds and testing for different types of activity and toxicity. There are several resources available to assist you with your learning in this subject. We'll also spend time in class going over the best sources of information to help with your research for your assessments. More information about this subject can be found in the subject outline. Please take the time to read through it. It contains all of the important information and dates that you need to know for this subject. For questions, please use the UTS online discussion board, especially those questions where other students may want to know the answer. I'll monitor the questions for the subject coordinator forum frequently and aim to answer your questions within 48 hours. You can also use the discussion board to engage with your classmates, and this is a great way to exchange information and learn from each other. For questions of a more personal nature, of course, feel free to contact me directly. That's all for now, and I look forward to working with you in drug discovery this semester.